Hello again. We are making a cardamom date shake. This is one of my favorite drinks to have with my family for brunch. So we have pitted dates and cardamom pods. We have vanilla ice cream and vanilla extract. And we have some plain milk. We are going to ground up the fresh cardamom. I'm just gonna grab a little pinch, give them a smash. And now I'm just gonna pick out these green cardamom pods. You just want the black seeds. And now you're just gonna finely ground this. So we can go ahead and open the lid here. First add a handful of dates. Gonna add the ground cardamom, some milk, the vanilla extract, some ice cream. And then we're gonna hit smoothie. Now that it's done blending, we could just pour it into a glass. Hit it with a little bit of whipped cream, a fresh date, and you're ready to enjoy.